Okay, so warranty void in action number 1. I'm going to open up the back of the power supply. So I've got these screws out of the way and just see if there's anything special about the fan that's in here. We can swap it. That literally is the only thing that's noisy on this thing. So there's 4 there, and I think there's a tiny one there. Let's see what happens. I'll just pause the video a sec. Okay, yeah. So there's the fan inside. Yeah, and then obviously the rest of the circuit board and power and all that. I mean, all that is a 24 volt power supply. That's it. It might be a little bit naughty, and I'm going to disconnect the fan just for now. And what I'll do, I'm going to put the thermal camera on it and see how hot this power supply gets. And then decide whether I need to worry about that fan or not. So it's not exactly a massive fan, and the enclosure's pretty enclosed, and there's not a huge amount of airflow through there. So is it? I'm sure they've designed it well, but is it really necessary? So I guess we'll see. Okie dokie, so that's back up now with the power supply off and the fan has been disconnected. So I'm just going to turn it back on. I'm sure there's no clever software that doesn't detect the fan, but you'd hope there's some thermal cutout in here. Right, let's see if that's on, but that is. There's no noise at all. Nope, I've turned it off at the wall. There we go. Oh, let's turn it on. So there are, now interesting, so there's some other fans in there. And that is much quieter, like really quiet now, it's super quiet. So I wonder, I've not checked which way that fan's blowing, but that might be an exhaust fan, that, just to take some of the heated air out of here. But how much quieter is that? Super quiet, isn't it? Okay, so I just did a home on the axes. X and Y were between 32 and 38 dBs on this phone app, and the Y-axis was a bit noisier at 44, I think. But if I'll just do a home again now, you'll get a feel for it. So if I just continue talking, you can sort of see it. It's not loud at all. Power supply's not overheated yet. That's a bonus. So there's the Z-axis. It's nearly at the top. Let's see what the X-axis is like. You can see, yeah, it's nice and quiet. There we go, lovely and quiet. Can quite easily talk over it, and that is the loudest of them all, which is not that loud.